Hey everybody, I just wanted to do this quick video for you guys and just kind of share something that I see happening a lot, and it's people just jumping from mentorship, from guru to guru, trying to figure it all out. The most important thing that I'll say, and I've done lots of different mentorships, everything from Amazon to Airbnb to all kinds of different things. And, I've learned a lot from them, but the most important thing is that you find something that works and you stick with it, right? What I would say is instead of joining mentorships, everybody thinks that they have to have the next best thing. Just find somebody that's doing what you're doing or what you're wanting to do, and then just copy them. And you may ask, well, why would they want to work with me? Right? Well, I got started in real estate investing doing exactly that. I just reached out to somebody that was doing it, and I helped them and I found them deals, and they walked me through all the different processes of what to do. Then I eventually joined a community, and that community was sub 2 with Pace Morby, and it was one of the best things that's ever happened to me. And from there I joined Owners Club, which is just a higher level. And the reason I did it wasn't for the mentorship, because they're not really mentorships. It's for the networking and the community. Sub 2 is a community of over 16,000 entrepreneurs that are doing real estate investing, and it's a great way to connect and find people that can either provide you capital, that can bring you deals, that you can disposition deals to, you can buy businesses, you can partner in JV with people. Now that's an amazing opportunity. Now Owners Club is a little different. It's a very high level mentorship. I paid a good amount of money for it, but it gave me access to 500 people that are doing things at a high level. Now, what you guys need to focus on is, if you're just getting started in real estate, is just finding somebody to work with to get you to where you want to be so you can eventually progress how I did. Now, if you're in a higher level in anything that it is that you're doing, don't focus on learning so much, focus more on networking, because the more you can network with people, the more you'll be able to learn from your peers by working with them directly. And that's the best advice I could give. If you got value from this video, please like, share, subscribe, do all the things that you do on social media, and leave a comment below if you have any advice or feedback on how I can improve these videos, or if you just appreciate what I've shared. Take care.